Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our subscriber family. Welcome back my fellow Vegas lovers. In today's video we will take you through the first day of travel day to Las Vegas. You will experience the Delta flight with me, a Paris hotel and casino room tour, a walk through the Bellagio Conservatory. We will end the night with a bit of a slot play. If you enjoy Vegas, keep watching. Now go grab a drink, a snack, sit back, relax, and come with us to Las Vegas and let's have some fun. In this trip, I booked a first-class ticket to Las Vegas from Atlanta. I knew I had a new job, so this is one thing to kind of reward me for taking a step up. And what you'll see here is the first class on Delta from Atlanta to Las Vegas. The first class seats on Delta has a lot of leg room, and the pitch is actually steeper, and you could actually sleep a little bit on the flight. One of the best part about the Delta flight is their entertainment system. Their entertainment system really contains a lot of movies, and this is when I actually catch up on some new movies and movies from Asia, and they're all blockbusters. One of the perks of first class is obviously getting real food, and what you'll see here is you got a salad, and you actually have some meat over rice and with veggies, and the tiramisu was fantastic. As you fly from the East Coast in America to the West Coast there, you will actually go through some really beautiful sights. And one of the beautiful sights here is the Grand Canyon. It is just fantastic. If you take a look, it runs for hundreds and hundreds of miles, and I am always in awe seeing it. As you fly into Las Vegas, one of the things that goes through your mind is really what to eat, because Las Vegas has a lot of food. For those of you who don't or have not seen my videos on some buffets, check some of these out because you will be blown away. Okay, now come with me. Let's take a look at the Paris Hotel Casino room. This is the King Burgundy Room. Alright guys, so this is the Paris Hotel Casino. This is the room tour. And here is the restroom as we come in. Very well decorated. And very big shower. Holy moly. You actually have a seat here. Fit probably 4 or 5 people in there. As you go in, here is the room. And here's a king bed. Outside the window, got the pool, and you have the entire Eiffel Tower. Very nice. Now let's go to the Bellagio Hotel and Casino. So inside the Bellagio lobby there is a Chihuly Chandelier, and the chandelier costs $10 million. What do you think of this chandelier? Put some comments below and let me know what you think of this art. So the next up is the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. The Bellagio Conservatory is actually designed for every season and various special events. As an example, they have specials for Chinese New Year and Christmas. In this particular instance, we are looking at the fall season decorations. The wonderful part about this conservatory in Botanical Gardens is that it does not stand still. It's got automation and lots of running water. One of the best things about the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens is that it is free. And now, let's take a look at some slot play. This game is called Quick Hits, and this is one of my favorite games here at the Caesars Casino, and I will always play this when I am in Vegas. This game has been good to me, and in this instance, I actually have won the first day. Here's a little bit of a tip for you. When you play the games, don't expect to win, because Vegas is not built on winners. When you come to Vegas, what is your favorite game? Let me know. Put that in the comments below. How much fun was that? And welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.